It's called When Cooking Becomes an Art. And I enjoy it so much. I enjoy also frying the chapatis. There's nothing like deep frying. What you do is simply put your dough on your pan. Put your dough. Put your dough. Okay. Whatever they call it. You know, English came with a train and with a sheep. So we are just but beneficiaries. Beneficiaries of this extreme language. So this is what you do first. After it's dried this way, so you add your oil on top of the chapati. We just smear it a little bit. The chapati, you smear the oil on top of the chapati.
You don't pour the oil.
If you pour, it will be watery. We don't need a lot of oil.
Why don't you put directly to the pan?
Because if I put directly to the pan, I'm going to destroy the structure of the oil. It is already unsaturated, so when I put directly to the fire pan, I'm going to make it saturated. And this could expose us to carcinogenic substances that can trigger and provoke the cancer cells in the body. So when that happens, it becomes a misnomer. It becomes a misnomer. Yeah. So I love cooking chapatis, and I enjoy it, especially when
close to who?
My queen.
Queen, say hi.
Hello, I'm the queen.
Eh?
That's great. And I'm the king,
He's the king.
King, say hi.
The man with dimples.
Hello.
Ebu, say hi.
Hi. Hello.
Oh, it's quite
Hello. He's the dimpled guy. And we have also Jaden.
Jadi, come say hi.
He loves being around when we are cooking. Come, Jid. Come, baby. Jaden is here. Jaden.
Gigi.
And this is how you do them. This is how you do them when you're done. So that you put them in their bucket.
So I always do that.
It's a little bit hot. So what we could do, we'll drop it here. Then we'll bend it.
Round 4.
And I think this is the last one.
And it's big.
It's big, huge, and heavy. So my queen knows how to do it. So she leaves it now for the king to work on it. This is what you do. We're almost done. This is the last one. So that after that, you turn it again. I told you cooking is an art.
What are you doing right now?
I'm removing the particles which are like burnt, that it becomes also palatable and inviting.
Okay.
You don't just present anything on the table. Present that which is.
Whatever your hand finds good to do.
So at this moment, I'm just about to add oil to this chapati so that I can now work on it. So what I do, I scoop, then I smear the oil on top of the chapati. It's called Kenyan chapati.
Hey. Kenyan. Okay, Kenyan.
I'm
also a Kenyan.
Yeah, she's a Kenyan. She's my shemeji, my in-law, sister-in-law to be.
She's just the best, right?
She's the best photographer and videographer we have.
Yeah, people should watch my channel.
Yeah, you should go to Bring Kenya. You'll find her loaded with stuff. She's almost clicking some subscribers that we desire that she clicks. Meanwhile, we also welcome you to Baruch Servant. Very soon we're going to have Filba, the Filba family. Very soon we're going to have the Filba family on board.
Wow.
So that we could teach people to cook.
By doing that, you could be creating the layers.
Yeah.
So that's how the layers are made.
Yeah.
Can I show them in one chapati how the layers look?
We will show them when time is due when we'll be on the table.
So they share that dish here. I need.
Oh, you capture it.
The jambari. You see the way they're so young.
Yes, they're lovely.
Can't wait to angamiza
So
chapatis.
I think we are done. Just waiting now to turn it over. And
So like basically you just have to keep on moving the spoon.
yeah, so that because I cannot actually know what's happening below.
Yeah.
So for the chapati to be well made by the fire, so I must keep on doing it this way, so that the steam from the fire, the heat, can actually cook it well. If you don't do it this way, it doesn't cook well. That can be dangerous to the super. Because it is brown chapati, it might not appear like the white chapatis. We said bye-bye to white things, especially refined ones.
Why do you leave the white one?
They don't have raffages.
At what? They don't have what?
Raffages.
Packages,
So this can lead to constipation.
What about the gluten content?
This one has gluten content, and the gluten content is very high. So if you want to neutralize the gluten content, you could add pumpkin seeds in your grinding.
Seeds with the pumpkin itself.
Coconut
You could
oil.
also do coconut oil as you are kneading it. You could also use sesame seeds. Yeah, so that they compete.
The crushed sesame or full.
You could use the whole grains, or you could crush it when you're going to the portion.